I don't want to... That's worse. Andrade Almas. Asuka. A green, 13 of 25, Bray Wyatt. I want to spoil the hit from the bottom so you can all see it. Gotta figure out how the best way to do this, because it's not easy. Maybe I could do it off to the side. There's the green. Bray Wyatt. Green is nice in person. And the hit. Ooh, it's bronze bordered. 62 of 99, auto relic of Bobby Roode. Not bad. Not a bad way to start. Not a bad way to start. Pack number 2. Luke Harper, Shane McMahon, it's a redemption. Ric Flair, oh, it's a redemption and a relic. An Aiden English relic. I actually kind of like that. So there are a lot of different things about this set. There are packs with multiple, so that's nice. And the redemption is, I'll do it this way, since I can't really read it. Undisputed. This is not working out too well. Bronze. Parallel of Cesaro, or as Sam would say, Cesaro. I mean, a redemption for Cesaro and an Aiden English? Oh, man. What a pack. Scott Dawson, Lana, ooh, there's a gold in there. Luke Gallows. Gotta remember to not do that. Lana, gold Rich Swann, 5 of 10. 5 of 10, Richard Swann. And the hit. Gold Dust Relic. Get that out of the way. That's bad pack. That's both relics. Alright, good, good. Alright, let's pick this up. We got 2 relics out of the way. So let's get done with that. Natalia, Carl Anderson, a Batista and Brock Lesnar dream matches, Roman Regions, and the hit. Oh, it's green. Is that another bad green? That is a 3 of 25 auto relic of Mojo. So in the first 4 packs, we got both relics and both relic autos. Although this year, you can possibly get more than 2 auto relics, which I'm not exactly a fan of. I didn't like these at first, but they are actually very nice because the colors are nice. I didn't really like the design of the auto relic at first, and now seeing it in person, it actually looks really good. Alright. Let's step it up here, Undisputed. Any box bottomers? No. This is sort of my luck in a nutshell. Alexa Bliss. Neville. A bronze Stone Cold Steve Austin Goldberg dream match. That is numbered 28 of 99, Goldberg and Austin. Chris Jericho, and the hit is Austin Aries, 93 of 99. So far, nothing horrible. It's not as fluid as I was hoped, because when I hold it like this, you can kind of see under there, so I'm sort of struggling with that. Maybe after this box, and then like if I get a personal box, I'll start doing them the other way because it's much better than this. All the breaks that I've watched, like, how many did Sam do? Sam did over 10. Lazy did a case and a half, over a case and a half. I think he did 14 boxes maybe. No Undertakers, no one Lesnar and one Goldberg. So we got Chad Gable, Dolph Ziggler, Goldberg, Shinsuke Nakamura, and the hit is a base 126 of 199 Bray Wyatt. Alright, John Cena, I think I figured out a better way. John Cena, Sting, Eddie Guerrero, and Shawn Michaels. A Desmond Wolfe, 36 of 50, silver. And the hit. A base Maurice, 62 of 199. Oh man, 2017, just like 2016 and 2015, not very kind to the Lorenzos. Well, should I say Matt Lorenzo. Alex did just, he didn't do just fine. I mean, he had a couple of good boxes last year. Alright, Roderick Strong. A bronze Roddy Piper, 32 of 99. Sasha Banks, Alexander Wolf, and the hit. There we go. There we go. 35 of 50. Bork frickin' Laser. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Bork frickin' Laser, 35 of 50. Silver. Fuck yeah. That is a good one. That is by far, I mean, by far the best hit in that pack. And that, wow, yeah, the best hit in that pack. That's by far the best hit in this box. I mean, it's not even close. Alright, Bray Wyatt, Andre the Giant, Austin Aries, Jason Jordan, and the hit. Is that No Way Josie? Ugh, worse. Base Xavier Woods, 113 of 199. Xavier Kill Yourself Woods. Although it could be Xavier Sex Tape Woods, or Xavier Kill Yourself while making a sex tape Woods. Either way, it is not good. Already the last pack of the fucking break. So far, this box has been pretty terrible. But, you know, you got that one amazing hit. Oni Lorcan, Shane Thorne, Daniel Bearden, Naomi, who sucks. And the last hit is base. Is that Eric Young? Eric Young. Not a great box at all. Let's see, the two really good hits were the Lesnar, obviously, and then the Cesaro. All right, here we go.